Today we're in the 2021 BMW M5, and we are at M1 Concours in Pontiac, Michigan on their skid pad. And I figured this would be a perfect opportunity to test out the MX Drive system. We've got four-wheel drive sport, and two-wheel drive. And I haven't driven a BMW with this selectable all-wheel drive system on a skid pad yet, or really drifted around that much. So let's see what type of difference each mode makes. We'll start off in a four-wheel drive, and then we'll go into four-wheel drive sport, and then two-wheel drive. So we are in full, stiff, everything. Sport Plus, M Dynamic mode is off. We have DSC completely disabled. Second gear, manual mode. Let's see what happens. Definitely slides like an all-wheel drive car. So that was four-wheel drive. Let's try four-wheel drive sport. I assume that's going to be a little bit more rear biased.
That's all good.
Yes, sir. Okay, nice. On power, it'll pull you out of the slide a little bit better there in four-wheel drive. That's nice. Still a very rear biased system. And then what's rear-wheel drive like? Feels like rear-wheel drive. Interesting, cool.
Did we shred a tire?
I don't know. How we doing? Good. We did. Damn it. I think we did.